Hello dear students, welcome to geography class, chapter number 1, our environment. It's for class 7, part 6. In previous part, we have completed natural environment. In that natural environment, so it's consists of dividing in 4 categories. The natural environment is dividing in 4 categories, that are atmosphere. So first one is what? Atmosphere. Second is hydrosphere. Third is lithosphere, and fourth is biosphere. And also we have learnt in previous part about atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Atmosphere, it is a mixture of gases present on the atmosphere, and also it has air surrounding us. Air also present in the atmosphere. And atmosphere also, it has the place of Earth's gravitational pull. It has the gravitational force also present in atmosphere. Means it has the pull, the gravitation, the earth, and kept in the place by the earth's gravitational pull. And some gases also present in atmosphere. That gases are there, nitrogen. So nitrogen, it has the 78% nitrogen present in our atmosphere. This nitrogen is essential to the soil fertility. Essential to the soil fertility. And also next gas, oxygen. Oxygen also present in our atmosphere. It has the 21% oxygen present in atmosphere. It is essential to the life, survival of life. And also some gases are present here. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide present in atmosphere 0.04%. It is essential for the plants. When plants processing, means they are preparing their own food, so their processing happens there, that is photosynthesis. In that time, the plants are required carbon dioxide. So this like some gases are present in the atmosphere, and we have learnt in previous part. And today's topic is there, layers of the atmosphere. See a student, some layers are there here. First layer is there, troposphere. And second layer, stratosphere. Third one, mesosphere. Fourth one, thermosphere. And fifth one, exosphere. So these all are the layers of the atmosphere. So these all layers, I am explaining about these all in detail one by one. So first I talk about troposphere. Troposphere. Okay students, see here, troposphere is very close to the lithosphere. Very close to the, means it's a atmosphere, right? Okay, and here occurs some weather occurs in this layer only. Some weather conditions are changing, so in this layer only, right? Troposphere. And see here student, troposphere actually it is a bottommost layer, and most important, it is the cause of weather activities in the layer of troposphere. And it has the some in this layer also sustaining the gaseous diet. Okay, and it is this layer is very closest layer to the surface of the earth, and some distance about this troposphere is 39 kilometer. 39 kilometer far from the Earth surface. Only 39 kilometer it is away from the Earth's surface. So it is about, so this layer is filled with many different gases. Many different gases are present in this layer. So that gases are there here, most important gases are there here. Nitrogen. Nitrogen. So it is present here 78%. And oxygen. So it is present in 21%. And carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So this layer is present. So 0.04%. And another one gas is there here, argon. So argon has here 0.09%. 0.09. Actually it's a 0.9%. So this like some gases are present in the troposphere. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and carbon dioxide 0.04% and argon 0.9% present in the troposphere. And this troposphere is 39 kilometer above the Earth's surface. Okay, student. So it is about troposphere. And next layer is the, so next layer stratosphere. 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 Stratosphere, it is the above the troposphere. So stratosphere is present above the troposphere. Okay, and it contains ozone layer. It contains ozone layer. Ozone layer gas. Okay, so actually that is filled with the ozone layer gas O3. O3 is a ozone layer gas. O2 is oxygen. Okay, O is the oxygen and CO2 is a carbon dioxide, and here ozone layer gas is O3. Okay, so stratosphere filled with the ozone layer gas. Okay, and also it is its main function, ozone layer's main function, it protects the ultraviolet rays from the sun. It protects us. Okay, it protects the Earth's surface from the ultraviolet rays. Okay, and this layer is 30 to 50 kilometer far from the Earth. It is the distance from Earth's surface to stratosphere 30 to 50 kilometer. It is a far from the Earth's surface. And troposphere is 39 kilometer and it is about 30 to 50 kilometer distance from the Earth's surface to stratosphere. Understood? So once again repeating stratosphere. Stratosphere is above the troposphere and it has the ozone layer. This layer is filled with the ozone layer gas. It is the O3 and its the main function, ozone layers gas main function is there. So it protects us from the ultraviolet rays. It protects us from ultraviolet rays. So its distance from Earth's surface to stratosphere 30 to 50 kilometer. It's far from the Earth's surface. Okay, student, it is about stratosphere. And next you can see here, student, mesosphere. Mesosphere. Mesosphere is above the stratosphere. Mesosphere, it is above the stratosphere. This layer contains electrically charged. See here. Electrically charged Means it is known as that it presents the ions. We call that ions. Electrically charged, it is known as ions. Ions present in this layer in mesosphere. So it is helps to radio communication. Radio communication. It helps to radio communication. Understood? Which one? Mesosphere. And its distance. This layer is some burning of the meteorites and some other objects falling from the space. It has the burning meteorites. Some objects are falling on the space mesosphere. Some space of the in the present the space. Some that objects are falling in this layer. Okay, and it's a temperature. How much temperature is there? Minus 110 degree Celsius. Minus 110 degree Celsius, the mesosphere's temperature. But this layer has far from the 50 to 90 kilometer. 50 to 90 kilometer above the means far from the earth's surface. So it is about mesosphere. Mesosphere is above the stratosphere, okay, and mesosphere has the electrically charged that it known as ions are presented in the mesosphere. So it helps to that ions are helps to radio communication. And the temperature of mesosphere is minus 110 degree Celsius. Okay, and some 50 to 90 kilometer it is far from the earth's surface. So it is about mesosphere. So next one, thermosphere. Next layer is there now. Thermosphere. Okay, students, see here. Thermosphere, it is above the mesosphere. This layer is present in the above the mesosphere. Okay, and thermosphere is high temperature. It has the high temperature. See here. High temperature. But we not feeling in their temperature because there some low atmospheric pressure is there. Low atmospheric pressure is there. Okay. So it is above, very far from the earth's surface that. So it is about 400 kilometers from the earth's surface. Okay. And so this thermosphere is known as ionosphere. It is also known as ionosphere. Ionosphere, it has the International Space Station. It has the International Space Station. Okay. So to the earth of this region. So in thermosphere, it has the International Space Station. So it is about thermosphere. Thermosphere is a ionosphere, and here high temperature. Okay, but not heat here. Heat is not felt here because here some low pressure of the atmosphere. Okay, and also it has the International Space Station. And it is far from the earth's surface, 400 kilometers. And next one is there, exosphere. See a student, exosphere. Exosphere, it presents in the above the thermosphere. Above the thermosphere. Okay, it is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. It is the outermost layer of the atmosphere, and its distance is 700 to 10,000 kilometer. Distance is 700 to 10,000 kilometer so far from the Earth's surface, very far from the Earth's surface. How much distance is there? 700 to 10,000 kilometer. And it is actually vacuum space. How is there here? It is the vacuum space. Okay. Some air gets here thinner and thinner. Air gets here thinner and thinner. So, it is moving from the surface of the earth, and actually it is mostly few particles are moved in the surface. Some few particles are moving in the exosphere. Okay, student. See here completed today's topic, layers of the atmosphere. Today we have learnt in detail all these layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. So, you do it correctly, you draw it this diagram and make the points correctly, and handwriting should be neat. And after completing your work, you send it my WhatsApp number. Okay, student? So, today's class is completed here, and next class I am continuing in next period. Thank you.